Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix background remover not working in Canva at 2026. So first we'll talk about why the background remover stopped working. So the most common reasons are you are not on a Canva Pro Teams, the internet connection drops mid-process, app or browser cache bug, image type and size issues, etc. So at first you will need to check and to make sure that you have a Canva Pro, and that's a very important point. Okay, so background remover not working or not available on the free plans. So how to confirm? You will need to click the image, okay, and then if you can't see a crown on the background remover option on the pop-up menu at the top, that means the Pro plan is required. So if Pro expired, it won't work. Alright, so at first you will need to renew Pro or use another account with Pro. And to do that, you will need just to click that option, then just choose Canva Pro here, and then just go with plan or that plan, or try it for free, or try it free for 30 days, as you can see this option. Okay, so if you already have that plan but you still have that issue, or that issue just appears to you, you will need actually to reload the page at first. So just go with Control R, or that's curved flash here, just reload or to refresh the page, and select the image again and try to go with the BG remover or the background remover, and if that still doesn't work, you will need to clear the browser cache right now. So you'll need just click on the three dots on the top right corner, then just go with the settings option on the bottom of the menu, and then just go and click on privacy and security on the left hand menu, scroll over a bit and click on delete browser data on the privacy and security section, and select last 24 hours, and then just go with delete data, the blue button below. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.